We're here at Collegetown Plaza to take a look at studio apartment 3I. Let's go on in. This one has the kitchen on the left. You'll find the kitchen on the left in the apartments I and K, and the kitchen will be on the right in the other apartments, H, J, and L. As we go in through the kitchen, that's the same as in the other apartments. The refrigerator, sink, microwave, stove, oven, bathroom again the same, across from the kitchen where we have the standing tub shower, the toilet, the vanity and sink. There's a cabinet on the wall. Let's go into the apartment. Again, the apartments will be the same no matter what floor you're on. The difference will be the view out the window. And you can certainly arrange the furniture however you like. We like to show you some different styles or ways that you can set the furniture up in the apartment. There's the dining table and chair was in that corner, the desk and chair, the dresser, the bookshelf over here. The closet is over behind us over here. Let's go take a look out the window. So you can see we're on floor 3. We have come down one flight of stairs from the lobby level, which is on floor 4 from Dryden Road. Dryden Road in Collegetown in particular is quite hilly. So we've come down a level. We are still above ground level here on floor 3. And you can see we still have some nice bright open sky over to our left, which is to the south especially. We are over the driveway that runs behind Collegetown Plaza. So facing west, there's a driveway below us. But we're away from the street. We're away from Dryden Road. So that's a look at another studio apartment here in Collegetown Plaza. We're on floor 3. This is apartment 3I in this 9-floor building. We're located at 111 Dryden Road. We're right here in central Collegetown, and we are just 1 block from campus.